Hello friends, in this video I'm just going to explain how to install VLC media player in Kali Linux. So it can be any versions. So you need to go to the root. So just open the terminal. This is the root terminal. Here we need to first enter sudo apt update. So it will be completed quickly. Okay, it's completed. Now run sudo apt install VLC. So this is the command. Just enter. Do you want to continue? Yes. So give Y, then enter. So now the VLC media player is successfully installed. If you face any issues, it is stopped, downloading is stopped, just run this command apt list upgradable. Run this command. Then again install VLC, sudo apt install VLC. This time VLC media player will be properly installed. Once successfully installed, right, you can go and check the applications. So here going to application and type VLC here, VLC media player. Super cool. So it's successfully installed. You can see this icon. So continue. That's it. Now you can play audios and videos. That's it, friends. This is the way you can install VLC media player in Kali Linux. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Please provide comments and feedbacks in my video forms. Thank you. Bye, friends, and take care.